Hey there, iPhone 15 Pro Max users. Today, we're taking a look at the CASEKOO Hot Style Crystal Clear Case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you want to show off the beautiful titanium color and design of your new phone, this is the perfect case for you. With the highest quality Bayer TPU and cutting-edge Arkansas technology, this case provides nearly 100% light transmittance, keeping your phone super clear and flawless. And with CASEKOO's innovative GRYS-GEL anti-yellow technology, you can trust that this case will remain transparent for longer. But it's not just about looks, this case also provides excellent protection. With a 3-layer protective frame and 4-corner upgraded U-shock airbags, it can reduce more than 90% of the impact force. It's even passed the drop test of up to 3.04 meters, so you can trust it to keep your phone safe. And with raised camera and screen protection, as well as a slim and comfortable design, this case is both stylish and practical. It's designed specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, with millimeter-precise cutouts for easy access to all buttons and ports. So, if you want to keep your new phone looking great and well protected, click the link in the description to get your own CASEKOO Crystal Clear Case today. Don't forget to subscribe for more great reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.